The digital team at Blueprint are all about solving business problems with digital solutions.
The digital team can understand wider context of the solution, not just the immediate goals, but actually the long-term purpose of it.
Sometimes it's a simple website which has content and it's consumer facing, it needs to look engaging, but it's quite simple from the back end perspective. Other times actually they're really data driven systems. There's lots of figures and numbers and integration with other systems in there, and it still needs to look presentable and easy to use from an end user perspective. What makes us truly unique? We're really agile in our approach. So although that word is kind of thrown around a lot and used by a lot of agencies, actually we really do take that flexible approach. What you scope at the beginning of a project might not actually be where you want to end up in a year's time, and we'll take on all that feedback as we're going through, so it's making sure that if a new element comes up in your business that becomes a higher priority, that can go into the scope we originally did at the beginning.
A sprint is a fixed period of time, usually 2 weeks, can sometimes be 1 week.
It makes sure we're dedicated, focused on one thing, there's no changes, everyone is on the same track for that period of time. Volkswagen approached us with initially they had in the business, and it was across all of the brands, so Seat, Skoda, commercial vehicles. Every week they have forecasting. They obviously need to say how many vehicles each retailer is going to sell. There's a whole supply chain that's going to be impacted by these numbers. They were working on an Excel sheet, so they would have to email this Excel sheet round 200 plus retailers, fill in some numbers and send it on. It was obviously really time consuming, it wasn't very accurate.
We took that problem and turned it on its head by getting a feed from head office, what cars will be delivered, and representing that to every single retailer.
It's time saving and it improves the accuracy.
I think the great thing about working with the Blueprint digital team is that we take the requirements, think through them, work on the most valuable items first in a quick, iterative way to actually deliver a higher quality product in a shorter period of time with increased features.
We've got a lot of scope in that we get to work on lots of different projects, so it's not just about selling something that's pre-built or that was built for someone else and we're trying to retrofit it to your solution. Everything's bespoke, we're adaptive, responsive, flexible in our approach and the way we work with you.